due to the video when I spoke with the Elon Police chief, gaining a lot of views and garnering questions, I wanted to answer some of those questions. So first of all, I did not wait years to file. I addressed this actually when I was talking to the police chief. I specifically said that I reached out to the mayor, Emily Sharp, when it first happened. But I guess you guys are too busy trying to belittle me. Secondly, so the arrest that they took part in happened August 7th, 2022. During this time, I had lawyers that were handling things for me that I was paying. So it basically took up from August all the way to the end of November 2024. So you're looking at about 3 years from there. So it concluded near 2025, just so we're clear on the events. And so I was pressing both attorneys at the time. So during the district court trial, Don Dickerson was my lawyer. I pressed him to gather the evidence. He refused to. He kept telling me he was going to, and then never did. That was clear cut. We had issues. Same lawyer that refused to gather the evidence to win the case when it was clear cut that I was innocent. Officer walks up behind me and attacks me during a consensual encounter, and then claims that he was dispatched when he really wasn't. My lawyer admitted it. The evidence substantiates that he wasn't dispatched. No call logs, no nothing. So just want to get that out of the way. And then there's the second trial, which John Cox handled. Again, I asked him for the footage. He refused to get it. And so I knew something was off, but I didn't know exactly what it was. It was only after doing research myself that I discovered the relationships with each other that led me down this rabbit hole, that led me to start making these videos after filing complaints and being ignored. That's right. I've been filing complaints since this occurred, since the false arrest occurred. This isn't just like I decided one day to just do this after 4 years. No, I've been filing complaints the entire time. I've been ignored the entire time. I filed with the FBI, SBI, and many others. The SBI would not investigate my claims, but retaliated against me. They blocked me on Facebook. So Elon, I think, blocked me at one point, then unblocked me. But I ended up blocking them, but I forgot about it. So I was thinking that I had been blocked the entire time this time, but it was me that blocked them. But they did block me at least once, to my knowledge. At least that's what I think. And so I attempted again to FOIA request a couple months ago. I was given excuses in the runaround. First I was told it had been deleted because it had no evidentiary value. And again, that's not how it works. It doesn't matter if they were the assisting agency, like she said. Just want to clear that up. The fact that I was arrested and they were a part of it, that does hold evidentiary value. And so I brought this up. And so, no, this isn't me wasting tax dollars. I read the comments, but I don't respond to all of them because many of the people commenting are disparaging. To be honest, they're just looking for a reason, in my opinion, to belittle me. Again, like, this has been going on. I've been actively pursuing this for 4 years. So before anybody tries to make me out like I'm just wasting time, I'm not. I'm pursuing justice for my family because the people that were supposed to investigate chose not to. And the internal communications that's posted on my Facebook shows that. I've been very transparent about everything, but I still have these assholes that come out and try to like call me names and mock me, which is very infuriating. But I have self-discipline. So this isn't a wasted effort. And so this next message is for police officers and government personnel who are aware of the misconduct. And again, who I notice is looking at my stuff again, who was, she was a social service worker. So after 2024, when the Gibsonville police brought in Jeff Reese and his family to lie, people that are well-known associates of the police, he bragged about it when I first bought the house. They brought him in to lie, and my lawyer, who had been to my house and seen the evidence, did not cross-examine him, knew he was lying. I pled to an obstruction charge because it was like, well, if I don't plead, I'm clearly going to lose because my lawyer isn't challenging anything and I'm not allowed to speak. So I pled with the idea that I was going to sue him in court. And so I began advocating. Jeff Reese and his family harassed me and my family. Just want to make that clear. SBI retaliated against me, charging me and blocking me. I think I've said this already. I don't want to go into a rant. But this has been ongoing. Kind of forgot my where I was going with this. But basically, this isn't pointless. I'm getting justice because the people that are supposed to investigate did not. Instead, the prosecutors, the police chief, Senator Amy Gailey, all these people conspired to conceal it, not to actively investigate. To this date, there's still no investigations. And so we have people saying that I'm mentally ill because I'm persistent. We have people refusing to look at the evidence because of what I'm claiming, but then they go out of their way to insult me. This isn't a free society. No, it's not a free society when I'm assaulted on camera, and then the police go out of their way with the help of the prosecutors to convict me anyways. It's not free. And then I got these dumbass people commenting that don't know what they're talking about, that don't understand the law. I don't know everything about the law, but I know enough to know that what was done to me and my family was wrong. I'm going to keep posting. I'm going to keep seeking the answers, and I don't care how many people how many government officials are caught in the crosshairs. And what I mean by that is, I don't care how high the corruption goes. Everyone that was involved in protecting these officers and concealing evidence, I'm going to find you and I'm going to expose you. And I may not get justice right away, but I will get justice at some point in time. And so you'll get a chance to see what it's like to be powerless, to be made fun of like I was. You'll get a chance to see everything you worked hard for get destroyed, and you seek and you won't have no ability to fight because you'll actually be in the wrong. All these people. I'm not going to break any laws. I'm going to still keep doing lawful activities, and you guys can keep making fun of me, the people that are doing it. And for the people that generally support me, I thank you.